TikTok gives you complete control over who can see your liked videos. This quick guide will show you exactly how to make your likes private in just a few simple steps. As of 2025, TikTok automatically sets liked videos to private for new accounts created by users under 18. But anyone can change these settings to protect their privacy. Here's how to hide your liked videos step by step. First, open TikTok and go to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, then select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy. Then look for the Liked Videos option and toggle it to Only Me. That's it. Once you toggle the setting to Only Me, your liked videos will be completely private. Only you will be able to see which videos you've liked, giving you full control over your privacy on TikTok. Understanding why you should hide your liked TikTok videos is crucial for protecting your digital privacy and personal safety. Hiding your liked videos provides significant privacy enhancement and reduces the risk of social engineering attacks. When your likes are public, they create a detailed profile of your interests that can be exploited by bad actors. Current data shows that about 60% of TikTok users already keep their liked videos private. This trend reflects growing awareness of digital privacy importance among social media users. Privacy experts strongly recommend hiding your likes to control your digital identity and avoid potential security threats. Social engineering attacks often rely on publicly available information about your preferences and interests. Users with private liked videos are 23% less likely to experience targeted harassment. This protection is especially important given that 75% of online harassment occurs on social media platforms. 82% of professionals prefer private likes to avoid workplace complications. Your liked content can impact your professional reputation and career opportunities if viewed by employers or colleagues. Remember to regularly review your privacy settings to stay protected. Digital privacy is an ongoing process that requires periodic attention to maintain your security and peace of mind.